Let's go. If a friend comes and tells you, you have two choices, either give me 10 compliments or 1000 rupees, which is around 14, 15 US dollars. What would you give that person? Be honest. I think most of us, without a second thought, would give the 10 compliments and get on with it. Why? What is more valuable, the compliments or the 1000 rupees? And who decides that? Why is money the biggest mystery of our time, with so many different meanings, emotions, and expectations attached to it? What if money was clear and uncomplicated? What if giving money was as easy as giving compliments? What if it was possible to not only walk around feeling like $1 million every day, but actually reflecting that in our relationships, health, and of course, a bank account as well? What if $1 million just became a way of life? Would you like that? Why not? I would like that. Would you? Would you like that? Say yes. Say yes, everybody.
Well,
Say
Shilpa,
yes, yes, yes now.
I was going to I was going to say that I would pay the money and not the compliments. It's easy to pay the money and not the
Yeah,
compliments.
that's why we are going to do the money workshop with you, Dr. Gitanjali. So yes, thank you everyone. Just say big, 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 big yeses. And if you've been with Mystic Lotus for a while now, you know yes is our favorite word. So say yes and clear that first resistance, any resistance you may be feeling. So thank you for your yeses, everyone. Just saying the yes feels so good. Imagine the real thing. Oh, it's the just the thought is so exciting. And we have Dr. Gitanjali Saxena with us today, who can show us how we can make that come true for us. Dr. Gitanjali is a wellness coach and distinguished therapist trained in multiple modalities with more than 2 decades of experience. And she's worked with thousands of people, and some of us are here with us today. Theta healing, Akashic records, past life regression, Lama Fera, hypnotherapy, psychotherapy, counseling, you name it, she's an expert in that. And now she has combined all of this knowledge, rich insights, experience, and people's feedback to create this magnificently potent money manifestation program we are so happy to present for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host for today, Shilpa Mulimani, and it is my absolute pleasure in welcoming Dr. Gitanjali on the Mystic Lotus Masterclass this Saturday morning. Welcome, Doctor.
Hi, Shilpa. Thank you so much for inviting. Thank you so much for allowing me to speak today again on my money manifestation class. Hope the class is a benefit to all those who are attending it.
I'm sure it will be. I'm very confident of that. And everyone, today we have lots and lots of action-packed session for you. You'll know what beliefs of yours are stopping you from making more monies. You'll experience countless aha moments with every word Dr. Gitanjali speaks. We'll do an exercise for money affirmations to increase your money quotient. You'll see Dr. Gitanjali's mind-blowing money manifestation program, and you will receive the attunement to a really powerful money symbol. And trust me, there's much more. I should not spend more time in telling how amazing this session going to be. Looking forward, Dr. Gitanjali.
Yeah, hi. I let's start the session with asking a couple of questions. Are you all ready with your answer sheets or pen and paper? The first question I would like to ask you is, if you would have all the money in the world, what would you do?
Wow.
I'm repeating the question once again. If you had all the money in the world, what would you do, or what would you buy, or where would you be? And my second question is, what is that one thing which you think in your life stops you from achieving that goal? What would be the worst thing that would happen if you would have all the money in the world that you desire? And what would be the worst thing that would happen if you had all the money in the world? So, if
Hmm.
anyone ready for answers, I can speak to people, talk to people, understand them, help them.
I can go first. If I had all the money in the world, I think I would buy a resort island and
Okay.
just stay by the beach.
Uh-huh.
And I think the block or something which I would not have is how to continue living that way. I think that would be my concern. So let's see what people are saying. Before that, what would you do, Dr. Gitanjali?
Well, since it's my program, I'm ready with the answers. If I had all the money in the world, I am seeing an aeroplane flying. I just have a thought maybe I would fly off to different places, see a lot of things. But my worst fear is if I had a lot of money in the world, I would lose my freedom.
Wow. Why do you say that?
Because there's a huge responsibility towards money, and you need to fulfill that responsibility. And so I feel I would not be able to do the things I like, or I don't know, but suddenly I always say freedom. And so if I had all the money, I would lose my freedom. Okay, that's my answer.
I'm going to think about this after today's call.
Yeah.
So let's see what people are saying. Sai is saying that she would donate the money. Ankit says he would lead a good life for me and the family. Kadena says if she had all the money, she would buy 1,000 tiny homes in Dallas. Preeti says she would make this world a beautiful place to live for everyone. Bella says she would use it for herself first and then she would donate. Rita is saying she would make life comfortable. Samina says uh, the thing that would stop her is her deteriorating health, which stops her from becoming a full life healer. Then we have a lot of questions. Amrish has a very nice, detailed list already. He seems to
Oh,
have thought this clearly.
yeah.
Buy and maintain a mansion, buying nice, expensive cars, hire lots of people, spend money for activities. I would try to be part of the government. Okay. So a guest says he doesn't feel any fear. Nice to know that having a lot of money, they won't have any fear. So yes, we have got a lot of different types of answers here. Some want to donate it, some want to buy better things, travel, spend it on themselves, and the others, they would want to just donate it first and then travel to beautiful places like Switzerland, says Anurita. Very interesting. We've got all kinds of replies here, Dr. Gitanjali.
Yeah. But the second part, what would they give up, is what is important. Like, what would you give up? What is that one thing you would give up if you had all the money? Like I said, I would give up my freedom. So even if I say I want to travel, if I give up my freedom, believe me, I will not be able to travel.
Mm.
There will be a lot of responsibility towards growing that more money, making more money. So you are not going to be there to enjoy your life. You are going to be obligated to a lot of
Yeah.
things. So that's my fear. But because I have worked on it, I still manage to enjoy the things I do and make money. But these are the kinds of fear a person has. Okay. And
Yeah. We've
uh,
got very interesting replies, Doctor.
yeah.
Sai says,
Manisha Goel said that there will be a lot of evil eyes on me, and that's absolutely right. It's such a powerful or a thought that if I have money, people will not be
hmm,
jealous of me, will be not be good to me, will not be nice to me, and will be like looking at my money. And that is one very powerful thought which stops you from manifesting money. And
wow.
I just saw that and I said, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
That itself is such a big form of fear.
Yeah. Now, and somebody said that it will be difficult to trust people, and that's absolutely right. if you see that so many people who are rich, they don't know whether the other person is there for them or it's there for their money. And the people are friends. Are they real friends, or are
Yeah.
they just friends on for because I have a lot of money? So trust issues also great. People are really responding to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Kadena says she would give up privacy.
Yeah.
Supriya says peace of mind. Sai says safety. Vidhi Sharma says I would give up laziness. True, it comes with lots of responsibility, says Bella. And somebody says we give up free relationships also because money, more people get attracted to you like bees. Chandrika says peace. She would give up peace. So, Doctor, I love the way people have different thoughts and the different perspectives which each and every single person is having. Like, no two people have the same feelings or they have same fears about money.
Right. Because no two individuals are the same.
Yeah.
And so we have designed a package for everyone that it works with everyone, no matter what belief system they come from, no matter what place they come from, no matter where they are today in life. And um, this whole module helps you to develop or double up your money in a year's time, and that's my guarantee.
I'm
If you
sure.
follow this module through, I'm not going to talk about 10 times more and 20 times more, because your conscious and your subconscious mind, your conscious mind is very logical, and your subconscious mind, suppose if I tell you, Shilpa, that you eat a particular amount of food today, I'm sure that you will be just be able to eat that much portion, right? Can you double up? Yes, maybe. Can you do it 3 times? Maybe not. So even any kind of habit, if if I put, like, 10 times, the subconscious mind goes, it's very bizarre for the subconscious mind. It goes haywire. It is not able to understand what's happening. Suddenly so much of message units, I am not capable, and then it could create a lot of other complications. So we keep it simple, we keep it basic, but we give the guarantee that wherever you are today in your life, within a year, and sometimes it happens before a year also. I have had people who have been able to achieve targets within 3 months also, 6 months also. I'm not saying that it's not possible, but I can safely give a bet within a year.
Yes, and we have some, and I think you had your last workshop just this month, early this month, and we've already got some amazing feedback for it. Can't wait to share it. Let's get on with the conversation for now. So, Dr. Gitanjali, money, I mean, people have this conversation about money, and we look at it so differently than we look at relationships and health. What is money? I mean, what is this big story about money?
Mhm. What is money? Why don't we ask people what is money? What is money to them? Can we ask that?
Yeah, please. Everybody tell us what money is.
So Supriya is here, and Akash, hi, good to see you. What is money according to you, Akash?
Yeah. Kadena is saying money is energy. Energy, Ankit, Ambish, money is an enabler. Happiness, freedom, says somebody, says a guest. Support system, says Vidhi. Money is important, says Vani. Purchasing power, says Bella. Money is safety and security, says Samina. Money is God, says Neha. And Supriya says money is an important energy in the material world. Money is freedom, security, says Florence. Money is power. Do you think money is all of these things, Dr. Gitanjali?
So money is all of these things because you have made those thoughts about money. You have made those beliefs about money. So it is all those things and much more. The simplest idea is it's a form of energy because everything, if you see Einstein, everything is a form of energy. Every particle, whether it is stationary or whether it is moving at a frequency. So money has a different frequency, and we need to understand that frequency of money and get those frequencies downloaded within ourselves through this workshop, and when attuned to this frequency of money to generate more money in our life.
Right. Before we move on to what you're going to do in the workshop, let's just understand a bit more about money. And you just mentioned the subconscious and the conscious mind, and we hear that a lot. So let me give you guys a little story of mine with Dr. Gitanjali. I remember some time back, I had to do some woodwork in my house, and I had the requirement of 1 lakh rupees. So I did not want to use my credit card, or I did not want to borrow. And I was speaking with Dr. Gitanjali about something else. But I happened to mention this to her. So she just said in, fun, said, let's try this. And she attuned me to a money symbol, which, by the way, you're going to receive today. And guys, believe me, just like that, I manifested exactly that amount in just less than a month from totally unexpected sources like bonuses and payments, stuck payments I was not expecting at all. So this was really a small incident, but it made such a big difference. And I got the money and I forgot about the symbol and this practices and just went back to my old way of life. So you see, this is, I think, where, Dr. Correct me, the subconscious and the conscious thinking comes in. You see, I'm putting as many hours as I can in my job. I mean, most of us do that. In a free time, we try to do things that we enjoy. So the question, the thought comes that how do I get more money? Where is the time and space for more money to come in? How is it possible for me to do anything more than what I'm already doing? I feel stuck in this thought. I would like to ask people, do you have such feelings? Do you have such stuck thoughts, And what do we do about this, doctor, about this habits, about the subconscious mind and conscious mind? Can you just tell us what exactly these are?
So everyone has some kind of habits, or some kind of beliefs which are stopping your growth. Okay. Now the program which we have developed is, it helps the person to bypass the critical filter. So most of your beliefs are in your critical filter. The critical filter is the filter which divides the conscious as well as the subconscious mind. And the critical filter starts growing by the age of 2 and completely shuts down. That means it's completely, the growth is done by the age of 8. So now if you need to work on your critical filter, or you need to work on your belief systems, which have been a part of your life from so long, you require this program to go to your subconscious mind without the inhibition factor of your critical filter. And once you are able to go into a subconscious mind, there is a different kind of energy which propels you to achieve the desired result in the same number of hours. So Shilpa, I would be, if you would be joining this program, I would be asking you, you can use the same amount of hours. I'm not going to tell you to increase the amount of hours at work.
Can you tell me to decrease the hours of work?
Yes, you can. You can decrease the hours of work also and yet get paid the same. So my own experiences, I have started using mental bank and a lot of other techniques, self-hypnosis, mental bank, the small things that we teach in our workshops. I've been started using this since 2014 and 15 onwards. And I have seen the money doubling up every year. So, and it has worked for me no matter what. So whenever we are focusing on this program, and the money keeps on doubling, at the end of the year we double the income. So suppose if somebody's at 50,000 a month today and we are aiming at 1 lakh, so I'm 100% guaranteed that if they follow the program through, so spending about 10-15 minutes, they will be able to double up. Now what happened to me is, somewhere something shifted, and rather than, I working for myself, today I have people who work for me, when they make money for me and because that thought came in, I did not think like, I can do this. And I have got clients who come in and they, if I'm busy, they do their sessions with my team, and we have healers who are ready to say, okay, we are okay to the results. And so people make money for you. So I'm working the same amount of hours, or I'm working sometimes less hours, but people are there to make money. So ultimately you will get your goal. You do not know how. Your subconscious mind, which is the most powerful thing in the universe, your subconscious mind is working for you. My subconscious mind will work for me. Your subconscious mind, everybody's subconscious mind will work for them, and they will generate that same amount of money from wherever. Like you said, Shilpa, you got payments, this and that. But this is a program which, like Shilpa, if you remember, you said, I would do this, I would buy a resort island, but my fear is whether to get the money coming in. So this program enables you to get the double the amount of money that you have been earning so far, and easily work on it. Do you get my point? So that fear that money will not come in doesn't work. But if you stop the program, you may be at that same level, or even at a lower level, we don't know. But if you stop the program, then it's a possibility that growth may not happen. You may be stuck at the same level. Okay, so even today, I do my money manifestation mental bank every day, every night. I sit and I do it, and I see a huge shift in my focus, in the business coming to me, in the number of different ways. You like, for example, suddenly you get a lot of business ideas. Like, I'm sitting here, but it's possible that I would be thinking of expanding my business. There are other things to do.
Yeah, like when you just said that you have people now who earn for you.
Who earn for me? Yes.
So probably you reach that level where you get these ideas. Like for somebody, they would not even imagine that, okay, I can get people who can earn from me.
One of my clients told me that.
Oh,
Yeah, I can't name. She's a celebrity.
God.
And she said, Gitanjali, you're very good. But, you are not making the kind of money you should. So, why don't you create people to work for you? And I said, I don't think there can be another Gitanjali. But no, you're getting me wrong. People who would want to be work with you, they will definitely come to you. But you have to make more people who can work with you and create that amount of power. So, when she told me this in 2013, 14, I was kind of, I don't know what she's talking about. And, but this is what has happened. And I keep on increasing people who learn from me. I ask them, you can join my work. And I always say, the more amount of people who will work for me, I will get more work. I have that thought. And it's a very thought, like, I believe in sharing a lot. If you share, and you will always get more. So, a person is made capable, but I was a very ordinary person. So it's nothing like, I was I was a very ordinary person. When I started working 15, 16 years, 20 years back, I used to hardly earn anything. But I never thought I would reach this state.
Wow. That must have taken a lot of work, a lot of experience, a lot of learnings.
Yeah.
And we are glad you're bringing all of this together for us now.
I'm just giving in this program what has worked for me these years. So I'm just telling, I started doing this program in 2014, 15, but I have seen a huge shift in the money, and even in the amount of work which is coming to me. And even if I'm sitting here, my mind keeps on, going how to make more money. So you are a magnet. You can also feel that. You can have that belief that you are a magnet and money is attracted to you all the time. And you should be in love with money. If you have all those fears that negative energy will come, I'm not saying it doesn't come, but you need to bypass those fears which are stored in the critical filter. And we teach you how to do that. And
Right.
a very, very simple method.
And Dr. Gitanjali, just a passing conversation with you is so insightful. Like I remember on the last call, I had asked that I don't feel like accumulating money. I mentioned that. And immediately I got an insight that maybe I'm not accumulating money. Maybe I'm not getting money because I don't want the money. Maybe that's why it's not coming to me. such thoughts, such revelations, and just talking with you, these things come
Well,
through.
money is a part of your surname. So I don't know.
It is. So I'm sure it will come to me, and it has started. It has definitely started like this year, and we've spoken and the work that we've been doing. And you know what? I wanted to join your workshop the last time, but we had some other event going on, so I couldn't. So I was like, I told the team that I really want to do this workshop. So I'm going to join you this time.
Thank you so much, Shilpa. Thanks a lot.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
So, doctor, you spoke about the subconscious mind and how we are trained into thinking and believing some things. So, what do we do? You mentioned briefly what you actually do, but how do we go about this?
Okay.
I
So
mean, why is it so difficult?
as I told you, it's difficult because the beliefs which are embedded in your critical filter of your subconscious mind, it becomes very difficult to reprogram them. Okay. And and to understand those beliefs, to get an inkling. But my program doesn't work on, we don't work on removing it, automatically gets removed or reprogrammed. It works on making a positive file. So your subconscious mind is works on the principle of last in, first out. So when you are doing this mental bank at a specific time,
Mm-hmm.
whatever information will be downloaded or the subconscious mind will be the first information which will come out for venting, okay, and for processing. And when you the mind, the subconscious mind and the mind only reads the topmost file. So if you have a lot of negative programs or negative beliefs about money, beliefs that you heard while growing up in your childhood, beliefs that your father told you or your parents told you are useless. So if I'm useless, I will not be able to make that money. Or you can't be good enough. Or you are a girl, so you have to work in the kitchen. So many of the women have these kind of belief systems. And what happens to our program is those beliefs, we put a positive topmost file where we make the mind see money is there. And when we work on those belief, mind only reads, okay, so it's a topmost. Like if you go to your party, you'll open, you'll see which is the garment which is more closer to you. You will just pick it up and kind of wear it, unless you're very sure what you want to wear. Like whenever I open my cupboard, whatever I see, 3-4 shirts, so whatever the one shirt I see up, I will not go down. I don't go dig down into my cupboard and pick up that garment. No, whatever is up, you will pick it up. So your subconscious mind, I make a new layer through our program. We make a new layer in the subconscious mind of a person, so that when the experience says money, I dive into my subconscious mind and my mind says, yes, there is money. And when your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are in sync with each other, you can generate the amount of money that you want. And I always tell people, money is the easiest thing to generate.
Really?
Yes. It's not the most difficult. It's the easiest thing to generate.
And we can take your word for that, because so many people have experienced that, and you've been working on this for so many years. We have Dr. Dipalakshmi
Yeah,
with us. We can get her on and see what she has to say.
Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, yes.
Hi. So I did this. Okay, I'll just introduce myself first. I am a psychiatrist, Dr. Deeplashmi Dopeshwarkar. I'm practicing in Mulund, and I'm also a hypnotherapist. And me and Gitanjali met like in 2013, and we connected back last month. It's money is very easy. This even I agree to it, because if you see, my name is Deep Lakshmi, and I believe a lot in that. So money has always been easy for me, but just the thing, like, as Geetanjali said, it's like, we pick up beliefs from the surroundings. One belief which I would prominently like to tell you, Geetanjali, is, like we have been trained, the husband should always earn more than the wife.
Yeah.
Unconsciously, I think that was triggering me a lot, because see, even if I have enough money, I'm not saying no, but why shouldn't I earn more? Right? So it's always good to have more. And yes, there were the program which I attended was like amazing. What I realized, like, I have been putting a lot of efforts, I've been working, where what we the mistake what we do is, we don't find our worth.
Right.
Program, you also come to know, okay, you are investing so much of time in yourself also, like, and that is also worth it. And I've been practicing this, say last 15 days we started, and like I'm seeing good things, good shifts. The first thing which I saw was there was a block in getting a flat I was looking for, and it has just come suddenly. There was not a block from my side, there was a block from my husband's side. He was like, nahi jana wahan pe.
Yeah, you told me in the workshop itself you manifested that flat.
Yeah,
From
it came up. It just came up, and my husband, "Ha, chalo, let's see, even if it's more expensive, it's a premium flat. We'll go for it." And initially, I was like, "नहीं यार, वो market वाले से बहुत double, they're asking double." I said, "I am worth it. I want to live now."
so you manifested that flat, right? You were saying it in
Yes,
Mulund, right?
yes,
You
yeah,
went ahead.
yeah. So I'm working towards it. The thing is, he was not open for it
It was not open.
initially, yeah. But then as I shift, everything shifts, and he was like, "Ah, let's go for it."
Yes, so you shifted, so he shifted.
Yeah. So, and frankly, I've been working on this scarcity consciousness with him. I've been telling him, "Yeah, this is the thought process where you're going through." But then there must be some block of mine also, which was there triggering, right? So the
Right.
moment, as Gitanjali says, when you shift, the whole shift, and money is really, really easy. Trust me, it's really easy to get.
What a story.
Yeah, but it was an amazing experience to work with Dr. Deep Lakshmi.
Thanks.
And we always admired her because she was a psychiatrist at that point of time, because she's today also, but so much interest in alternative healing therapy. So we were all very, enamored with her and her thought processes, because it's very difficult to find a. So she reminded me of Dr. Brian Weiss.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
I follow him thoroughly, and I am practicing complete the other healing modalities. Yes, psychiatry, I do give medications for people who are still not open for therapies, but I practice hypnotherapy and the other modalities regularly.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Geetanjali.
Thank you, Deep Lakshmi, for coming on, and really amazing story. Like, you're right. You shifted, your husband shifted, and the flat shifted towards you, and the way you expressed yourself, it really feels, really, I'm convinced that money is really easy.
Yeah, very
Thank
easy.
you. I'm really looking forward to this workshop. Thank you, the doctor, for coming and sharing your
Thanks, Shilpa.
story. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Deepa.
Dr. Gitanjali, this is so amazing. I'm so excited. So I know you have something planned. I think you have a presentation to take us through the
Yeah,
subconscious
had a
and conscious
presentation.
mind.
Will you be sharing the slides, Shilpa?
No, can
I'm so sorry.
would you be
Am
doing
I
that?
the co-host? So maybe Ruchika can share. Hi, Ruchika, wherever you are. Can you start sharing the presentation?
While she's getting ready, can we get one more person on?
Yeah, we can get.
Yes.
Have you made me the co-host? Whom have you made the co-host? In order to share the presentation, you need
You
to.
are the co-host, Dr. Gitanjali.
I am the co-host.
You
Okay.
are, yes.
I'm very bad at this thing. That's the only thing. I will just start sharing then. Okay.
Sure.
Shilpa will need to do. Yeah, so I think so. Amrish is saying that maybe he can share.
Okay. So while he's getting ready,
Yeah.
let's get Bhupesh on.
Yeah.
Is he here, Bhupesh?
Amrish is ready, so we can start. I think.
Okay. Okay, let's go for it. I think Bhupesh is still not here.
So everybody, we have just made a small presentation, nothing, this thing, but it will help you to understand where this is coming from. The Money Manifestation Masterclass, yay! And let's go to the second slide. So we have kind of said, what is money? And There are so many answers to it. The right answer is money is a form of energy, and you are having a lot of beliefs about money. I'm not saying any of the beliefs are right or wrong, but we just need to understand if it is just a form of energy. If I increase my frequency, the kind of frequency I require to be generated from the universe, I can create it. And it may take time, but it is well worth it. Can I have a second slide, please? Okay, so the beliefs that we saw is money is evil, right? I'm sure everybody will agree with me. Money does not grow on trees. And you should have money to make money, right? Relationship ends because of money. I had that belief and I worked on it. And every time when I teach my masterclass, I learn a new thing, even though it's my program. And money is the most important thing. People respect you only if you have money. We have seen that. Money comes with a lot of hard work. Yes, we have seen that. Pouring money down the drain. So, like pouring money down the drain, like however much you have, it's still always less, is the kind of the meaning of these. So, these are the common money beliefs a person would be having, known to unknown, right? And that way we can change these beliefs. Now if you understand, we have this the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, and if you see, the conscious mind is the tip of the iceberg, but the bottom of the iceberg is much more bigger. So your conscious mind here is just maybe 10% of your total mind capacity, and your subconscious mind is the 90% of your capacity. Now, it's very difficult to access your subconscious mind in a cognitive state. So we will teach you how yet to access it in a cognitive state. What I mean by a cognitive state is being aware, awake state. When you see, your subconscious mind is always awake because a lot of functions, bodily functions, are controlled by your subconscious mind, like breathing, like circulation of blood, the beating of the heart, the organs which are being, do you tell your heart, now you pump? Do you tell your lungs, now you breathe? No. It happens automatically. And that is the power of your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind's game plan is just to keep you alive. So it will do everything to keep you alive. And if your subconscious mind believes that money is evil, or money can create health issues. Somebody once said that I'm not able to make money because I have so many health issues. So you will start seeing that once you attend this program, you will find a way to overcome your health issues and yet make money, because you are now making a new file in your subconscious mind which says it is healthy to have money. Right? So your conscious mind is what all of us have: critical thinking. Should I invest this much amount of money? Should I do this? Should I not do it? It is a short-term memory. Okay, it has short-term memory, means the memory of the subconscious, the conscious mind is only 24 hours. If I ask anybody of you that today is the 30th of October 2020, where were you on 30th of October 2019? Nobody will remember, but that record is there in your subconscious mind. And that record, which is there in your subconscious mind, is important, because this is what we have to change. I'm talking about the negative records, not the positive impressions. Okay, so the conscious mind, so there are people who want to give up smoking. I've worked with a lot of people who want to give smoking and all that, but when we work only on the conscious mind, we find that it is difficult. Same way, if you want to make money, it's difficult to make money through only the conscious mind programming. So our program designs that it goes to the subconscious mind, because there the beliefs are also there. And the beliefs are the ones: money is evil, money is this, if I make money, people will go away from my life, if I make money, this will happen, that will happen, stopping you from making money. Hey, I don't want money because money is bad, your subconscious mind says, and your conscious mind says, no, I want money. In that conflict, you make zero money. So my conscious and my subconscious should be on the same page, which is what the program is all about. And if you have so many things in your subconscious mind, you have a long-term memory, because right from the time you were there in your mother's fetus till today, everything, every thought, every emotion is recorded and kept. And you can have an access to these emotions at any point of time, these experiences at any point of time, to make the desired shift. See, why do we want to go to the subconscious mind? Because we need to make that desire shift, because, hey, you're not helping me to make the kind of money that I want, right? And I've seen people when they come to me for, sometimes I'm just giving to make money, and or they attend my programs. They also get sometimes married, and they get married to really, I don't mean to say that you'll get married. I've seen it. I'm not saying that it always happens, but you can create the kind of money as anyhow, as like, I remember this lady came to me 2 to 3 years back. I spoke to her just yesterday. She came for a different issue, and at that point of time she had 3 people working for her. Yesterday she had 10, and she does uh, the rituals, the mental bank and the self hypnosis regularly. And there was a straight away growth, and she got married also in the meantime. So even that, so she just attributes it to, things just started shifting. How Dr. Deep Lakshmi said, it started shifting because there are this thing. So I have to use hypnosis, but we are not going to use hypnosis to change. We'll do self hypnosis. That is one way, but the other way will be using mental bank to change the way your subconscious mind thinks, that it is safe to have more money. Money will not hamper my growth. Money will not destroy my relationship. So all those negative beliefs which are stored, we will be changing that. Can we just take the slide, please? Thank you. So the concept of manifestation, yes, it is possible to create anything that you want in this world. It is possible. Be it good health, be it a good relationship, be it money, whatever you want can be created. Okay? And every thought, if I think of a negative thought that, there is not enough money in the world, and I keep on thinking that, or I'm around people who think that, I will constantly attract that, yes, people are not there, and it's difficult to get into earning money. But if we are, making the kind of thing, that the kind of money that we have, if I think that I have money, the universe has money, the world has the money, and so the money will come to you anyway. So my thought and my statement and my emotion towards money should be positive, or towards anything that we want to manifest. Okay? And every decision I take manifests a different reality. So what we think, what we do, what we decide, what we say decides what we manifest in our lives. So if we are going to manifest, rich people are bad. I know some of my rich people friends, and they are so negative, and they are such hypocrites. You believe me, you will not make any money, right? So your feelings towards money should be very, very positive, which is what we aim to do through this program. Yeah, can we see the other slide? Self-hypnosis I was talking about. So in this program, I will be giving you a affirmation, a personal affirmation, which I did in my last class. I will listen to your issues. I will give a personal affirmation, which you have to use it for your self-hypnosis every day for 5 minutes, and 5 to 7 minutes your mental bank. These 2 things are very, very much required. Maximum, if you do everything which I tell you to do, it's 15 minutes a day. And I'm sure 15 minutes a day is not a big deal when I'm promising you that your money will double up in a year's time. So we will be working on this. I'll be giving you one-to-one affirmations for the self-hypnosis. I will be taking you through a process of self-hypnosis. And this will, so you understand, self-hypnosis as the word implies, you hypnotize yourself. And
Wow.
because you are doing it every day, your topmost file is of money. Your topmost file is only talking money. And when you do this, at least for a month, you will start seeing a shift in the amount of money you earn. And there are people who have attended my money class twice, and within 3 months, they saw a shift in the amount of money they were earning. So in this new class, they manifested a new target because they were already achieving what they wanted to achieve. So as I told you, it all depends upon your thought processes. So people can achieve that in 3 months, people can achieve that in 6 months. It's your belief and your faith.
This is really Interesting, Dr. Gitanjali. Are you saying that you said it, yes. I want to ask you again. You're saying I can hypnotize myself so
Yeah.
that I can manifest more monies. That's amazing.
So hypnosis is not difficult.
Okay.
Everybody naturally goes into hypnosis twice a day. Getting up, we are in the state of hypnosis when your eyes are not opening up and you want to open your eyes, and one just when you're about to sleep, you want to sleep, and because the message units to the subconscious minds have increased so much that you want to go to sleep now, your critical filter, your conscious mind is completely clogged. So now it wants rest, it wants the process to happen. So that's a very simple technique known as self-hypnosis. Now, when we have self-hypnosis, what happens is the person, people are very much fearful of hypnosis. Oh, this person will control me. This person will do this. I'll bark like a dog. I will do this. I will do that. But self-hypnosis, boss, you can hypnotize yourself. Nobody's controlling you.
But Dr. Gitanjali, it is so difficult to meditate, at least for me, I need a guided meditation. I need a sound guiding me. But self-hypnosis, it sounds like, will I be able to do it on myself?
Yes, so the technique which we are using, it's amazing. So anyone can do it.
Wow.
And the technique is by the founder of Mental Bank, Dr. John Kappas, who's not no more. And he developed the technique of self-hypnosis. And with the help of self-hypnosis, you can manifest money. With the help of self-hypnosis, you can manifest relationships with the help of But yeah, self-hypnosis will not help you to cure your cancer. For that, more deep work is required.
Of course.
Got it. So it really, really helps you to understand what's there. And it really, for these goals, self-hypnosis is amazing. Amazing technique. Easy.
Sounds really amazing. And you just said, and even Dr. Deeplakshmi mentioned, that this will not only help us in the areas related to money, this will also reflect in other areas of our life, right?
Right.
Like
Like she said, it shifted her husband, and she got the flat. And I think she wanted that flat from 3-4 years. And it happened during the workshop, right? Am I correct, Dr. Deeplakshmi? Yeah. And the shift happened during the 3-day workshop.
Wonderful.
So that's what people have seen shifts during the workshop also. People see shifts even after the workshop also.
We have a question. Bella is asking, can it happen that you may not have limitations and still not be economically independent? Is that possible?
I don't believe that, Bella, because if you have the money, then there are no limitations. But if your expense is more than what your income is, then of course that is something which is a habit, which also is known as a self-sabotage behavior. And that also would be corrected through our program on its own. I may not address it, but as I said, the way we are working helps you to just focus on the topmost file. That's what we are doing. Focus there, and money is yours.
We'd like to continue this. We'll get on Ankit because he did your workshop this first week of October and he's already manifesting something. Let's get him on and hear from him. Hi, Ankit. Please unmute yourself. Hi.
Hi, Shilpa. Hello, Gitanjali ma'am.
Hi, Ankit. Kaise hain aap?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Hello, everyone. So yeah, I did the workshop in the second week of October, and when I came to know about this workshop, that time only I was intuitively towards it and very positive towards it that yeah, this is the workshop which I needed at the most difficult time of my life, and I have to do it. So when I did this workshop, post this workshop, I can see a lot of shift and changes in my money manifestation. I can see money everywhere. I can see it on the streets. I've already told Dr. Gitanjali when I found some money on the streets, which has never happened to me earlier in past 1-2 years or longer period of time. Then I got a good job opportunities during this post this workshop, and I'm ready for my interview, which is going to happen in a couple of weeks from now. and hopefully I can crack that and work towards my goal as per the guidance of Dr. Gitanjali.
Thank you so much. Have you changed your work? Have you changed your job?
No, no, I'm not changed. I've got an opportunity, interview opportunity, which is going to happen in next couple of weeks. So hoping for that to get crack that and work towards my better journey of life.
Yes, and I'm sure, Ankit, if you achieve your target before that, you can always redo your goal.
Yes, yes, I'm
Wow.
All
really
the very best to you,
excited.
Ankit. Just keep on following the small basic things we have taught you.
Yes, yes, I'm doing that on a daily basis, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ankit, for your faith, because that's more important. People attend workshops,
Yes,
they stop doing what we have taught them. And then they come back to us and say it's not working. I said, hello, are you doing what I've told you to do? So it's very important that you have to follow it every night. Only then it works.
And Ankit was telling me this morning that he just mentioned that he was feeling very positive about this workshop and he just was drawn towards this workshop. And he's
yes,
really appreciative of you, Dr. Gitanjali, that you're there with him even after the workshop. Right, Ankit?
yes. Yes, and post the workshop, the Dr. Gitanjali and her team are very helpful and supportive for each and everyone, and they take care of every individual separately, whatever their issues may be, during the workshop and post the workshops. They are easily to approach anytime.
Yeah, Ruchika definitely helps
Thank you,
me
Ankit.
wherever I can. I put my inputs. Sometimes I can't, but I normally make an effort that I should be there. Yes, Akash is also saying 100%. He's attended a couple of workshops with me.
Oh,
Yes,
lovely.
I do try my best.
Thank you, Ankit. We know you
Thank
have
you.
bandwidth issues today and yet you were able to make it. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
Yeah,
for
much.
joining in.
That was very sweet of Ankit and Dr. Deep Lakshmi to come on and
Yeah,
speak. I,
absolutely.
I
Yes.
appreciate your efforts because you must also be very busy in your life.
So let's take a couple of questions, doctor. Like Kajal is asking, is it different from Money Reiki?
Yeah, Money Reiki is an attunement, and I don't know much about it. This is, I believe a lot in the subconscious mind. I'm very logical person. So I will give a money attunement, that is fine. But for me, you need to do something practical every day to manifest that money. Because, you have to have that file, money, 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 money. So attunements are good, great. I'm also going to give an attunement, but what we are teaching is important. What you have to do every day is important. Like how you brush your teeth,
Mm,
how you eat your food. Same way, you have to create money.
yeah.
And I'm sure even if Mr. Ambani takes this workshop and he does this for 15 minutes, he will double it.
Wow, can making money be as easy as brushing our teeth?
Why not? It is
Yeah,
just
why not?
changing your way of thinking. That's it.
Yeah, true. True. We have one more question, doctor.
Yeah.
Gaurav is asking, can self-hypnosis help us to overcome anxiety?
Uh, it's not self hypnosis. Hypnosis can help you. Hypnotherapy. You will require one-to-one sessions. It's not.
Okay. Okay.
Self hypnosis can be the last thing taught or made the person do after, because anxiety is a coping mechanism.
Yeah.
I am coping to a trigger, something which is making me uncomfortable. So you need to first go to the root cause of that trigger, heal it, and then we can give them self hypnosis. So as I said, people come to me and they have a lot of issues, health issues, cancer is there, multiple sclerosis is there, lupus is there, a lot of other things are there. But you need to understand why you have created it. And then I can give a self hypnosis that you can do this every day. Like I have somebody, the client who has a liver cancer and it has been healed, but he's coming to me that he doesn't get it.
That really helps.
Yeah, so after some point of time, I'll be giving him self hypnosis that you do this every day. But
Mm,
first, I have to remove that
yes.
in my very simple, basic language, the kachara in your subconscious mind.
Yeah. So let's do this as an exercise, doctor, right now.
Yeah.
Earlier, people told us something about their limiting beliefs. Can we do an exercise with them? Can you help them increase their money quotient, give them affirmation?
Yeah, I can do it for a couple of people. Just let me,
Sure,
just
sure.
2 minutes.
In fact, sure, sure.
Yeah, tell me.
So Bella has messaged us. Bella, be ready to come on. Bella is saying, I'm not motivated to earn money. What is this? Everyone would like to have more money. And here I
Hey,
am.
Bella.
Actually, she has private messaged me. She doesn't know that she has private messaged me. So,
I need to see her, talk
yeah,
to her
sure.
to understand.
Bella, let's get you on. Please unmute yourself.
Hi.
Hi, Bella.
Hi, Kenny. Hi, Gitanjali, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, darling. How are you?
I'm fine. I've seen you in 2012. And whatever you had given me a prediction regarding my son, that has worked out true.
Bella, let us see you too. Please come on video if you can.
Yeah, I will. I will.
Sure.
This is good, now that she's trying to hide herself. Like that
No,
is,
no. It's just that I'm not aware. Can you see me?
yeah.
Yes,
I see Bella.
absolutely. Lovely.
What do you do, Bella?
I'm a homemaker. I try to help my husband with his work, but there's no money as such as my personal money or something.
Okay.
And I keep on helping people do, let's do this, or market something or something, but there is nothing that I take as an energy exchange for it. And I just don't know why this happens to me. Like, I just don't feel like leaving the home and getting out, and getting out of that comfort zone. Is it
Yeah.
that I should struggle and get some money for myself? I just don't feel the need for it. Is it a block?
So Bella, if you remember my slide, so you said,
Yeah.
and you have given the answer to yourself. I do not want to leave the comfort of my home and struggle to earn money.
Oh,
For
okay.
you to earn money, it seems like a struggle. It's a struggle to earn money. And the second thing is that is what is, and I don't know, you said so right, but you're not even able to understand that your subconscious mind becomes so comfortable with an idea that it doesn't want to change. It is very rigid. So
Oh,
yeah, yeah. So I'll just give you an affirmation, Bella. So you said you help your husband in earning money, right? And
yes, I do his banking. I also sometimes do the delivery. I also try help him make the product because we are into printer cartridges. And ours is a service oriented business. So at present we have no manpower. And like in during the lockdown, I remember going with him to the office and helping him out. But that kind of, there's a kind of block from him more often. You can't do this or you can't do that. I mean, or maybe he's a perfectionist and that puts me off. So I'm scared to work with him first thing.
okay, so if your husband increases his money, then you
Mhm.
get more money. I'm just asking Bella.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And what is the name of your husband?
My husband's name is Piyush.
Piyush last name.
Piyush Savla. Savla.
Now the problem is your husband is not going to do the affirmations which I tell him to do, right? So I'm going to work on your masculine principle so that your husband earns more and you get the benefit. Is that okay?
Wow, that's lovely. But also, Gitanjali, ma'am, you had told me a correction in my spelling earlier, and I practiced that, but that is not done officially on all my accounts or my PAN card or anything.
I
So I
think
just
very
practiced that.
yeah, just practice. I always tell people do not change your names on passports or bank accounts. Just change the names on write it 24 times a day. That's more than enough for you. Because see, what happens is my name is the name which has a karmic sound to it, and there is a karmic karmic number and there is a karma attached to it. The moment I change, the karma changes. So if you see, after doing so much, I do my spelling changes, but my original name I've taken it back because every name comes with a karmic baggage. And I've
Right.
already lived my life 45, 48 years having that karmic baggage. I can't at that last moment change the karmic story, can I? So it's better not to change it in the passport or anywhere else. Just do it 24 times a day and it will manifest.
Yeah, and that was like a bonus that you had given me, and I'm always grateful to you for it.
I think you must have struck a right chord with me.
I had come with Anju Kothari, and then one more session we had for your family constellation also.
Thank you so much. Bella, you have been a good, you've been so good.
And like, it was a great journey for me traveling from Thane to Chakala cigarette factory. That was your old office, right? And that's when you were just started to grow, and you were thinking of, I want to manifest a new home. You had told us this.
I don't remember it, but I'm amazed that you remember it. Fortunately, I have manifested a new home.
Yes, I know. I'm aware of it.
Thank you so much, Bella. I'll just get an affirmation for you.
And before you give me this affirmation, I would like to thank you and wish you all the best. May the universe bless you abundance.
Wish you the same, Bella. Wish you the same.
Thank you and abundance to everybody who's present here.
It's Diwali time, so let's hope for some more money manifestations and abundance coming up.
Absolutely. It's coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you giving me the affirmation?
I will give you. Can I just have your last name, Bella? What is the last name?
It's Bella Savla. It's SAAVLA, and you had given me a correction to say SAAVLA.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bella, I just wanted to know that have people hurt you a lot in your journey of life?
In my
Journey of life means whatever life has been. Have people hurt you personally?
yes, it's my husband. Let me be very frank, Gitanjali ma'am. Although there's a lot of love in our relationship, and this you had told me even at that time, I am I attract physical abuse, and I do not get any kind of upliftment for whatever slogging that I do. And then after some 10-15 minutes, things are fine and I'm appreciated, but the harm is already done. And I've been practicing gratitude and forgiveness continuously since the last 4-5 months.
Has there been a shift?
Yes, there has been a lot of shift in my mental state. Is that earlier I used to brood over it and cry and not get motivated to do much. But now I feel that might be. I had this session earlier also with Ruchi, and on Mystic Lotus only, and that's when she had helped me heal with the fear. So now I'm not fearful about it. But when if it has happened, I am again moving ahead, saying thank you, saying sorry, because I consider it to heal my karma and don't want it to return back, and move ahead and just behave normal.
Okay, appreciate that. Thank you so much for sharing, Bella. And the affirmation for you is I forgive all those who have hurt me across time and space, and I'm flexible and I appreciate life. I forgive those who have hurt me across time and space, and I'm flexible and I appreciate life. Thank you so much, Bella.
Bella, thank you for coming up and bearing your heart with us, bearing your situation with us. It really takes a lot to come online and share your personal life. So here is the affirmation which Dr. Gitanjali shared for you. Forgive all those who have hurt me across time and space, and I'm flexible and I appreciate life. So, Dr. Gitanjali, is there any particular way Bella is supposed to do
So,
this?
so Bella, you can say this affirmation 21 times before you go to sleep. You don't, if you don't want to write it, it's fine because it's a big affirmation. You will see, slowly start seeing that with this affirmation, things will start shifting in your life. Just say it just before you go to sleep. Maybe half an hour before, 1 hour before, not more than that. Okay? Do that.
Thanks, Bella, for coming on. Thank you, Dr. Gitanjali. Can we take one or two people more?
Yeah, please.
So, Supriya says, nothing works. I'm a healer. I want to do something to earn and attract money. I'm a single mother with 2 grown-up daughters. Can we take her on?
Yeah, definitely. Where is she, Supriya?
Supriya, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, she's here. Hi, Supriya. How are
Hi.
you?
Hi, I'm good. I'm good.
Tell me.
Yeah, actually, I was working. I'm a single mother, and my case is still going on. I'm still not divorced, but I'm not getting any compensation from him, or he's not ready to settle. And like from the beginning, my life, as I was listening to Bella's story, so it was something similar to that. Like whatever I'm doing, I'm not appreciated. I was married for 20 years and 18 years, and then I got to know that my husband had another wife, and which was a shocking news to me because he was a person who was never interested in women anytime, and that was the thing. Like he was very hot tempered. But then when these things came up, I was like, for 3 days straight, I couldn't sleep because I was so shocked. And my elder daughter was in the 10th standard at that time, and during her exam times, I got to know this. So you can imagine what havoc it was like. So, but then after I was there, but one thing is good in my life that my in-laws are on my side. They are supporting me, and then I had to leave my house and stay separate for some reasons, and I'm staying in a rented house now. I was staying in a two-bedroom flat, and now I'm staying in a one-room kitchen in a rented flat. But for last, I was not working from the time I had married. Now, after separating from my husband, I took up a job in a call center where I worked for 3 years. Then I got a job in a MNC, where I worked for nearly 3 years. Then I did odd jobs after that. Like 3 months, I worked in a canteen. 3 months, I worked in some other place. At the moment, and then I worked for 1.5 year in a builder's office. And at the moment, I'm jobless. I'm 54
Okay.
years old, and I just don't know how to pay
So
the rent.
basically, they have to create a job for you, Supriya, if I'm able to understand correctly, right? And Supriya, where do you stay?
Andheri,
Andheri, west, east.
West.
Okay. So, Supriya, can I have your surname, please?
Yeah, Tilaskar.
Tilaskar. When you get up in the morning, are you fresh? Because all your lower chakras are blocked.
You can say I'm fresh because I'm very open-minded in all the things. I don't crib or do something, but it does, like my legs do keep paining.
That's why, because your lower chakras are blocked. Okay. So, just give me 2 minutes. Apart from this, I'll give you a remedy also. Okay. So first of all, you just say this affirmation: life comes to me easily and effortlessly.
Mm-hmm.
Please write it. Life comes to me easily and effortlessly,
Yeah.
and the earth supports me to fulfill my needs. And when I was zoning into you, I could suddenly scan and I could suddenly see that Saturn, Shani Devta, काफी नाराज हैं आपसे. I don't know why. Could be a past life karma. She's not going there. Okay. So every Saturday, I would, since you are a woman, they don't allow, but you please go and ask somebody uh, to put oil on
All.
Hanumanji.
Okay.
Do that because it's a karmic thing which is being played back, and you have a lot of courage. But just do these two things, and I think so things should be fine. Okay. I think as far as I'm able to scan you, in 3 months' time, you'll be getting a job.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Don't worry, you'll get a job.
That was amazing, Dr. Gitanjali.
Thank you.
So I'm ready to jump to the most exciting part of this call today.
Nice.
So are you saying that in your workshop, you will be giving all of us a personalized affirmation, which is best suited for our life and our goals?
Right.
That's really amazing.
And that is done just before the self-hypnosis. So during the self-hypnosis, people usually use that affirmation for everyone.
Okay. Okay, great. So maybe I'll check with you later if we can take 1 or 2 more people on for the affirmations. But for now, let's jump right into the offers. And I'm really excited to share this. So Amrish, can you please share the offer screen, please? Will you take us through, Dr. Gitanjali?
Yes, this money manifestation program, we have kept the same things as last time, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
And just so that people are able to take this. And in this program, we will be identifying and reviewing blocks per se from everyone and allow people to manifest money. We'll be teaching you the mental bank exercise, the theory of mind, solution to financial issues, debts, whatever debts you have. Like I had the person who had a 50 crore debt. Of course, we just didn't do mental bank with him. We did a lot of things, and then we did mental bank with him. But his debt got resolved in 6 months' time. Okay, so debts are also easy to let go of, and because your mind is computing money all the time, money comes in. It just requires faith. So rather than watching 15 minutes Netflix, do this 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's fantastic because debt is a problem for a lot of people out there.
Yes. So, and that is also karmic story, Shilpa.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to let go of that karmic story.
Yeah.
And we'll be giving you solutions. And I think that is what is there in the course. Self-hypnosis is there.
Mm.
And we will have the support for 3 months after that also. And anytime, like this time, Ruchika repeated the course, the entire course with me. She got more because I sometimes add certain things which I don't add before. And she was very happy. So she did the entire workshop with me again, and she started to get benefit out of it. So the original price is about 37,500 to do this course with me and everything. But I think so there is this price which is a very, very effective, and that's why I keep it very effective or very simple, because it's easy for people to, as it is, people require that money. So try to keep it simple, basic, and people will be happy. It's what I want. And I want them to progress. That's the important thing. So today's price, I think so, is what? I don't know. Can we just change the slide? Yes, we are keeping this at 5,100. Like it's very, very, very minimum.
Very minimum. This is
Yeah,
ridiculous.
very. What did you say?
I said this is a ridiculous price for so much you're giving in.
Yeah, it's a ridiculous price, but it's very, I don't want to make it high price, so that, because people are, as it is, coming with issues how to ask for more
Yeah.
money. So once they have money, they will, as it is, give us, universe will send you in abundance. I always believe ki your one thing, helping somebody. Like when Bella said, I was like amazed. I said, oh, I was so, I don't know, I was so nice or so kind, but some people touch that chord in you and you want to give them more. So that is a possibility that Bella was one of them. And yeah, I just want to help people to get more money so that they have abundance in their life. What helped me, see, I'm also from a very common background. um, of course, intelligence is there in everyone. I'm not saying that. Of course, people are hardworking. Everybody is. But being hardworking, you're not getting the amount of money that you want. That I've seen so many people earning 50,000, 40,000 till today. And so when I started from this humble beginnings and I've reached wherever, just by following Mental Bank for 5 years. So I'm sure that if people, and the technique, you can just keep on doing it for 15, 20 years. The technique doesn't change. You can just keep on improving. If you are at 10,000 pounds today, Akash, I hope you reach, you will be just manifesting for 20,000 pounds per month. And you will get that kind of money. Now, whether you get it in the lottery, whether you get it as an inheritance, that money will come to you. What is important is the money coming to you.
Yeah. And there is only one way up, and that is up.
That is up.
Yeah.
You could be at the same level, but you will never be down after you do this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of shift.
Yeah.
And,
This is, sorry.
and it was like, I never realized the value till 2014, 15. And after that, if you see, I still have those books in which I do my money manifestation.
This is really exciting, Dr. Gitanjali. And we know that this office for 10 buyers, but I think it's for 9 buyers because I already told my team to hold one space for me.
No, we'll give it to everyone.
Yeah. All right then. So people, don't miss this. You've heard the amazing stories, and you see how giving Dr. Gitanjali is. She has a solution for everything. We are going to be given private, personalized affirmations, and there is just so much value in this. And we learn self hypnosis, which will not only help us in monies, but generally raise our vibrations, which will help us in each and every area of our life. And this is just so priceless. I mean, you are looking at earning millions, you're looking at becoming a millionaire and raising your energy vibrations. And this is a very minimal investment for that. I think if you do what the bank exercise for 2 or 3 months, I think you're going to recover double or more than double the investment which you're going to put here now. And not just the workshop. Dr.
Especially also good for people who are, into business. Healers, it will really help them to get more clients.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, debts also, it just clears your way to clearing those debts. And not just the workshop, you will have our back even after the workshop. You're giving 3 months support, and we heard Ankit how relentlessly you help people, you support us, and I know you message you anytime, you're there at any hour of the day. So thank you for that, and thank you for offering that. That's really priceless. And of course, the free course revision. I mean, can it get better than this? And you're bringing all of this together, the original price of which is 37,500, which comes to 579 US dollars. And we are getting it just for 5,100 rupees and $79. Guys,
Like less than even $100, huh?
sorry?
I said less than even $100.
Yeah, that's less than 100 US dollars, and that's less than 5,500 rupees. I mean, we go out for a date or for a movie or for a holiday. I mean, this money is just gone in one flash. And here, this is like an amazing long-term investment with very high returns. Guys, don't think too much, just go for it. And we have got to know just this morning that Dr. Gitanjali is going to offer this program at this price only this time. This is the last time you're going to offer this at this price. The price will increase the next time this workshop will happen. So guys, book it now. Here is the link for you to book again. Just go for it, book it. And you know what? If you're not able to attend the workshop now, let's say you're busy with Diwali preparations, but you know what? Remember, just before Diwali, this season, it is the best time to work on the money energies, isn't it, Dr. Gitanjali?
Absolutely right. It's the best time because you're
Yeah.
manifesting money through Diwali, right? That's pure. It's in the air right now.
It's in the air, absolutely. So please join in. And if you're not able to join in now, you can book it now at this price and you can attend the workshop next time whenever Dr. Gitanjali is holding it. And you know what? If you attend the workshop this time, she's offering the free course revision. So you get to attend it again whenever she's having it. So people, we are still not done with the masterclass, but go for it. Don't think too much. Make this investment. Join me. Join Dr. Gitanjali in this workshop. And if you have any questions related to payments, if you have any questions related to dates, oh, by the way, the dates for the workshop are 10th to 12th November, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST, right, Doctor?
Yeah. This we kept for people who are abroad. So,
Yeah.
so if they can kind of, join. Akash, that would be okay with you, right? You are behind us.
Yeah, he says yes.
Good.
Akash, hope you have booked it. Do it now. And yeah, people, if you have any questions related to payment, please WhatsApp. You can click the link there. You can WhatsApp Amrish on 9820342288. And yeah, Bella, please go ahead and contact Amrish for payment. And thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you, Amrish, for sharing this screen. And really, really excited for the workshop. In fact, I want to tell people, if you go to the Mystic Lotus YouTube channel, you will see many testimonials for Dr. Gitanjali's workshop. She just had this 15 to 14 days ago. And people have, as you saw, Dr. Deep Lakshmi, she manifested a flat. Ankit is manifesting jobs. And there are some really more amazing testimonials. You can check them out there. Check them out after this call. Book it first now. In fact, even I was speaking with a testimonial yesterday who couldn't come on today. She was saying that she used to earn 8,000 rupees, but after this workshop, she's now earning 50,000 rupees. So these are really big progresses. Thank you, Dr. Gitanjali, for giving it at this price.
Thank you so much.
And thank you. Madhu, the time of the workshop is 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. India time. Doctor, thank you so much for this evening time, because even for us staying in India, it's quite a convenient timing. And it's actually a convenient time for everyone. So yes, guest, Dr. Gitanjali is going to share the money symbol with us in a short while from now. And before that, Dr. Gitanjali, can we take one more person for the affirmation? Would you mind that?
No problem. Yeah.
Okay. So Bhumika.
I think that people are not knowing the days of the workshop. So
yeah, I will just type that in.
12. Okay. Yeah, type it out.
Yeah. So guys, the date of the workshop is 10th to 12th November. That is 3 days. And it's 4 hours a day, which is 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. India time in the evening. Okay. So before we take on somebody for the affirmation, can we have Bhupesh, Dr. Gitanjali? He wants to share his amazing experience about the workshop. Yeah. Bhupesh, please come on in.
Hi, Bhupesh.
Bhupesh, please unmute yourself again.
Okay. I was getting a message that host is not allowing to unmute. So, okay, now it's unmuted.
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
clearly.
Oh, so nice. Actually, I just got a message that will you be able to share your decimal? I was on my way. I just stopped over, got a parking here before I can enter the meeting.
Thank you so much.
Um, that's because it means a lot to me because things were a bit haywire when we really started, and I feel a semblance of some kind of a order coming into the day. um, I would say uh, I when I attended the workshop, I was expecting, you know, something magical and something like this. Okay, there is a element of magic or mystic or this because obviously there is something which you follow blindly if you really want to do it. But I found that also the element of writing down your money bank and following it up in one way or the other, it helps me to organize my day. And I notice that for every minute or every hour that I'm spending, in a way, I'm paying myself. Then why should I not do it something which is more productive, something like which will take up, which will give me something productive. Like if I call a client or do some quotation or at least spend time with my family. I found in that writing that I was spending some more time like chatting or replying to the chats or being online and not productive work. That was one. Other thing was that I could start kind of planning out my day, and I found that it is really effective. And there is a mystic or there is a magic in the affirmations. I find that I am no longer like a sleepy head anymore.
Ah,
I get up morning. Today morning I have woken up 6:30. I've slept at 3 o'clock yesterday at night, and I don't feel even a little bit of sleep in my eyes. I don't know. It's a part of that. Maybe the affirmation which I had said that there was one of the things, and also I find that a lot of things are magically opening up. Uh, Small things. I mean, at the moment, because just 6, 7 days or 10 days gone by, but then I would like to share this experience where during the workshop, I got a message from one of my clients that he needs the original invoice to pay me to release the check. Their ploy is you give the check only after receiving the original invoice, and this original invoice they will take after 15 days. So they will 15 more days they will delay. They will normally delay the payment using this as an excuse, and I was expecting that they will delay this. And my engineer, I had already told him to go and take the invoice to him. And then the second message he said that I would like to also tell you that you can collect your payment at the same time. Only it's a formality of giving the invoice, original invoice, and you can collect the payment at that very moment. This is the same client who used to delay at least 15 days after taking the original invoice. So this I found it very like positive. And then as the days progressed, 2 or 3 days later, I found that I used to always have some block to finalize deal. When it reached the final stage, it was not happening or delaying, or it happened in recent times, very recent times, 3 or 4 times, where the client had said that I want to do the job with you, and then it did not happen. I found two of these works which happened on an instant, like like I said, okay, and I sent the pro forma, and they transferred the money and the contract. Second, also same way, I sent them an offer, and they confirmed that okay, this is okay. We'd like to work with you. Let us work out what are the modalities. So it was. I feel that it has definitely worked in that way, or that sense of the word, that whatever objective that I want to achieve of reaching the mental bank balance, I think I should be able to. I should be able to reach it the way I'm going. Thank you,
Yes,
Gitanjali.
sure you will, Bhupesh.
Yes.
I'm sure you'll get more clients, Bhupesh.
Yes, you will. Your mental bank balance will definitely go up.
Bhupesh, thank you.
Yeah,
We know you're in Dubai and
yes,
you've
that's
taken
true.
some time out of work. We really appreciate you coming and
Thank
doing
you.
for us.
Just one question, Bhupesh, before you
Yeah,
log
tell me.
off. How
Yeah.
many people, how many clients you have got after the workshop?
Purely speaking, every 3 days, one client has more or less finalized or kind of, said expression of interest, that he sent a drawing and want to do like that.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's
And there is one client whom I had forgotten that I
yeah.
have to do his work. He sent his drawing and he's following up every alternate day.
That is good, Bhupesh. I'm sure your business will improve a lot.
I hope so, yeah.
I told you it's really helps people who are self-employed and having their
Yeah.
own businesses.
Yeah, that's
Give
true.
that frequency. So, but just don't forget you doing it. That's it.
Yeah, even yesterday night, 3 to 3:30, I was doing my affirmation and other thing, and then I went to sleep. I mean, it was late. I I spent the time with the family on the beach for the Kojagiri, and that thing was there, the moon thing. And today children have holiday, so I mean no online classes, so they could sleep, and then we could enjoy on the beach and then come back.
That's also very nice. It's
Yeah,
important to spend time, and you pay yourself to spend time with your family, right?
That's right. Yeah. This I was not able to do this earlier. Also, as I would say, this was also a part of the new thing that has started to show up. So
Right.
it's a good thing. Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
Bhupesh.
Thank you so
Thank you very much.
much for
Thank
coming
you.
and
Bye.
giving your time to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Dr. Gitanjali, love this. He has manifested more clients. He has found more time for himself and his family. And one thing I noticed was that people around him are changing. I mean, the clients themselves are following up and they are giving him more work. So this is really fascinating.
Yeah, so many clients, who you don't know, they come in and it helps you to connect.
Yeah.
And really, I've seen a lot of shifts in people.
Yeah, this great stories, Dr. Gitanjali, let's move on. And would you like us to give the symbol now?
Yeah, I will do meditation. So they need to, can you give the symbol so that they can either draw it?
Sure, we'll share the symbol now.
Yeah, you can share the
Okay.
symbol with them.
Okay. Everyone, we have sent the money symbol on the Zoom chat. You can download it from here. And we are also going to share it on the screen. Thank you, Amrish.
So it starts from here. If you see, it is a continuous movement. It goes down, then it goes up and it leaves it. Okay, that's the money symbol which needs to be downloaded. You please get this. There was one more like a pentacle, but I just felt more connected to this symbol. And what we have to do here is, I'm just showing you those who don't know what's the Merlin. This is a Merlin. Okay. The meditation, we are going to invoke the energies of Merlin here. Magic you require, right? Can you all see the Merlin? Or maybe you can Google the Merlin. Merlin the magician. Okay, we're going to manifest this symbol when I say this is a wand. In the meditation, you're going to see Merlin inscribing this symbol onto your third eye. Okay, I'm just showing Merlin inscribing this symbol to your third eye chakra using his wand. So you're going to imagine this, visualize this, whatever it is. Some people find it difficult to visualize, so they will have to imagine that in the fifth dimension, Merlin comes to you and makes that symbol very simple, okay, on your third eye chakra. Okay, shall we start the meditation, all of you?
Yes. Dr. Gitanjali, any specific instructions, like if anybody is working or driving?
So then they can't do it.
Okay, all right.
So if you're not working, you can do it.
Okay.
It's drawn from up. I normally do this like this. I start from the ear. You can do both ways. That's not a problem. But I start from there. Yeah, please. That is good enough. You do this, please. So we keep this. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Shilpa.
Thank you, Amrish.
So I'm just going to, it'll take 5 to 7 minutes, not more than that. Okay, whereas it is in time. So take a slow, deep breath in and exhale. Take another slow, deep breath in and exhale. Thank you, Madhu. And keep on inhaling and exhaling. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. And feel the energy from the center of the earth coming up. Touching your feet, your ankles, your legs, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, all the way up to your crown chakra. And feel yourself becoming smaller and smaller in size. And allow your consciousness to move out from your crown chakra in a beautiful ball of light, and you can choose the color of this ball of light. Allow yourself to go higher and higher, higher and higher, past the white lights and the dark lights. And go to the seventh plane of existence and give a command. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that the money symbol be downloaded on my third eye chakra now. And from there, feel yourself standing at the edge of the universe. And as you stand at the edge of the universe, feel a beautiful orange light surrounding you, slowly moving into yellow, then into green, then a bluish color, and then the indigo color, the color of your third eye chakra. Feel yourself surrounded by this light and invoke Merlin the magician. He is a wizard, and Merlin the magician will come with his beautiful crystal, the powerful crystal. And starts inscribing the money symbol on your third eye chakra. See that flame coming out from his shaft of crystal, and that flame inscribing the symbol on your third eye chakra. And ask Merlin the magician to get magic into your life. And ask him to manifest more money. Feel the protection of Merlin around you, protecting you from all the negativities. And once the symbol is done, feel the touch of his shaft of this powerful crystal on your third eye. And now ask the Merlin to go back to his place from wherever he has come, from the fifth dimension, to meet you between the sixth and the seventh dimension, bending the law of time. Allow him to go back. And allow yourself to feel this energy. And feel yourself traveling back. Allow your consciousness to enter your body. But before you enter your body, take a shower in the beautiful light, cleansing you of all negativities, if any that you must have encountered. And come back into your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes.
Thank you, Dr. Gitanjali. This was beautiful. This was what you did for me. It brought me back those times. And this is, guys, this is really a very powerful symbol. It really works. I mean, trust me, now that Dr. Gitanjali has attuned us, watch out for shifts, watch out for magic happening in your life.
Just remember the Merlin.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. What now, Dr. Gitanjali? You know, you have attuned us to this. How can we make this stay in our life every day?
Yeah, so you can just get a photocopy of it and stick it on your wall and just look at the symbol. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. You're attuned.
Superb. Great question. Thank you, Sai, for reminding me to ask this. Will people who will be watching this in the replay, this will work for them also, right?
Of course, why not? You are in that energy.
Yes. Thank you. Really beautiful. Thank you so much. People are thanking you. In fact, Akash, I agree with you. Even I felt something is there on my third eye, you know, like a tingling. Even he felt that. Bella says she felt Merlin hugging
Oh, that's so nice.
her.
Bella.
Milind thanks you. And, you know, I think people are still sinking into this. Nana is thanking you. Really, thank you so much, Dr. Gitanjali. This has been such a wonderful session. I mean, this one session, and I'm already so much more knowledgeable about money and about this whole thing. I can't wait to see what happens in the workshop. You know, people are still thanking you. Nidhu is here. She says it was lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Really, thank you, Dr. Gitanjali.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shilpa, for hosting this.
It
Thank
was
you
a pleasure.
for us to come in.
Let's
Giving us that
quickly,
wonderful audience.
sorry, let's quickly again go through the offers, Dr. Gitanjali, one more time.
Yeah.
People, this is the last chance. You heard me earlier. I'm saying this again. This is the last time we are getting it at this price. So don't miss it. It's a fabulous investment. It's the Diwali season. Best time to do this workshop. Best time to do money work. Go for it. We've opened it only for a few people. This special prize. Don't miss the special prize. I think the prize increases to more than double if you're not amongst the first limited people. So go for it, guys. As we've mentioned, there's a very deep syllabus which Dr. Gitanjali covers, which includes self-hypnosis, and it also includes personalized affirmations. And we saw how those affirmations are amazing and how they work. And of course, it's clearing all the subconscious gunk that we have. And of course, yes, Nilma Dhap, it includes the money mental bank exercise, the whole program. So yes, and she's offering very generously 3 months worth of support, which frankly is not worth 7,500 rupees. It is priceless. You know, if you ask her one doubt and she gives you so much of information and help. And of course, you get to do the entire course again without any charge. You get to do the 15,000 worth of workshop again free of cost. All this, which would be 37,500 or 579 US dollars, you are getting it for the last time for a limited period only for rupees 5,100 or 79 US dollars. Guys, go for it. Grab it now. Don't miss this opportunity. I'd like to repeat the workshop dates again. It is just before Diwali, 10th to 12th November, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. India time. And of course, if you're not able to do it now, book it now, guys. Trust me, book it now. And then you can do it whenever Dr. Gitanjali holds this. And trust me, this is a blockbuster program. In fact, as I mentioned earlier, we had this in the first week of October, and it was such a hit. Dr. Gitanjali, thank you so much for doing this again so early at such short notice for us. Thank you so much. Go for it, guys. Last call. And I'll also share the Telegram group, which you can join. If you have any questions for Dr. Gitanjali about the workshop or what she covers in the workshop, please come join this group, ask your questions. And Dr. Gitanjali, would you like to leave us with something to end the call?
Yeah, thank you so much for all of you joining. I hope to see all of you at the workshop. And I hope this money manifestation symbol, which I've given you, works wonderful. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Gitanjali.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for joining in.
I thank all of you for joining the workshop, for joining this masterclass.
Thank you, Dr. Gitanjali. And have a great weekend, Doctor.
Thank you, Akash, Bella, and I don't remember, Mr. Patil, Rupesh Patil. And of course,
Ankit,
for helping for this testimony.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for joining in. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Doctor.